Done! It's ZOE time! Hi guys! I'm gonna paint a Christmas tree for Christmas. I'm just painting this side, this side, this side. There we go. There we go. Okay, now there. Now let's do the light green, light green, light green, light. Here's the light. Neon. I'm just gonna mess with it. So I have orange here. Is the orange for the thorn. And the pink one is the neon pink. And this is the one, the bright yellow. And this is the yellow. You first get a Q-tip and then dump it in. Boop. But I'm gonna just do it there. That's for the red. This one for the pink. This is for the peekaboo. And this is for the orange. Let's keep repeating that over and over. I'm just gonna put all the pink dots first. Done. So now let's do the red ones. Instead of the lights, it looks like berries. Red, now the orange. Well, not big from orange, no, real orange. It's like a berry tree. Imagine you decorated your tree with berries.
Yum, yum, yum!
Now the blue. I just have to stir it a little bit. There. Now yellow, 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 yellow. the black construction paper 6 strips. Guys, look! They're all in 6 strips now. That was magic. Great. There. Looks like a picture too. Yay! I'm using white paint for some icicles. There, that's an icicle. There. And some little ones.
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.